Alright, so what is that? Bonanza? Bonza? Pasta? Chickpea or lentil?
Chickpea.
And what are you gonna make over here? Are you putting peanut butter in the brownies?
No.
Okay, good. Pretend I'm not here. Don't look at the camera. Don't kick the puppy.
It's not a dog. Don't kick that.
Alright, I guess I should finish sweeping. It looks all smoky. It looks all foggy. So much foam. What is that? Oh, that's weird. It's in like a salsa container. What is it, like fresh?
The salsa.
And what's the meat?
Sausage.
Sausage? What brand is it?
Palm fruit, I think. Palm fruit.
Oh, it's not bad. Oh, that's it. I'm a garbage picker. I just picked this out. 11 grams of protein per serving and 3 servings in a container. Plus, picking garbage again. These are recyclables. This one has 20 grams per box. Oh, nice gloves. How professional.
Alright.
33 and 44. 77?
What is 30?
35, 30, 33 and a half a piece if we divide it in half. Wait, you can have a little more because I already ate. I eat throughout the day, not just one giant meal.
Little bit throughout the day.
Exactly. Snack. Oh, now you're gonna bake it?
No, it's got the...
Oh, and you're gonna melt cheese on top? Oh, shoot.
It said half a bag, but I know that's not enough for you.
I like some cheese. Extra cheese. Always extra cheese.
Okay. 15 to 17 minutes.
Oh, 15 minutes?
Yeah.
What? Let me capture this. Start a cooking reality TV.
Is that your music?
I turned something on in the bedroom. No, it's not my playlist. I just did classic rock. Oh, I gotta put away that bunny cutting board from Easter.
That's not all year, buddy. Triple chocolate chunk.
Nice. Would you put hot sauce in yours? And for the puppies? Ooh. So this is brownie with chocolate chips, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then mint frosting, and then melted dark chocolate.
Well, no. I think it's sweet chocolate.
Honey sweet. Wish I got a video of that flip.
Well, there's gonna be another one. That's not good.
What?
I didn't go through the brownie in a lot of it.
Hey Max, I'm sorry baby, you cannot have chocolate. No. Even though you're so cute. I give you a puppy cookie. You want a puppy cookie?